Hey everybody, it's Tuesday morning, January 23rd, 2024. I'm once again back in the Mount Rogers NRA, and with me today is Delmer and up there Sir Charles. We are near the Raccoon Branch campground, and we're going to hike up to the top of Dickey Knob. So come along with us and let's get rolling. To access the Dickey Knob Trail, you actually have to go through the Raccoon Branch campground. I'll get down here where I'll show you exactly where we're going. Up there. Used to be an old fire tower up there years ago. There is one open area up there, back around to the right, or to the left over there, where we can look off, get a pretty good view. Here's my second hike of the year, trudging in snow. Well, you can see it says Branch Wilderness. The raccoon part's been broke off. That's pretty cool where you can watch the water flowing under the ice. For about the last half mile or so, we've been tracking a deer up through here. We've also been doing a lot of trail maintenance, getting a lot of limbs and debris out of the trail. There's where deer's been grubbing for acorns. Overall, this is a pretty good single track. We're about 2/3 of the way up. This is only going to be about a 5-mile hike. Okay, Delmer and me have been trudging through some pretty heavy snow this last little bit. Up there's the actual summit. You can't see anything from up there, but right up here is a clearing where you can look off. It's a literal sudden drop off, so gotta be careful in all this snow. Sugar Grove, Virginia down there. One of these mountains over here is Brushy Mountain. I think it's that one over there. I'm not for sure. I can't remember exactly. That highway down there, 16, which will take you back into Marion, Virginia. And you can get on Interstate 81 right off that road. Pretty good view, ain't it, Delmer? You can see way back there. I don't know if the GoPro will or not, but I may get the Canon out and zoom in down there on the highway. Anyway, down there 16 curving around, there's a, looks like a tanker truck on it now. Okay, we've made it to the top, so you can see of course there's a benchmark here too. My GPS says we're at 3660. The concrete supports for the tower, that is. I didn't even have to use any pressure to, drive them into the ground. Snow's deep enough to where the poles are holding up by themselves. Somebody's tried to build them a metal fire ring. You can't see anything from up here, of course. I mean, if the tower was here, you'd get a good view. You can probably hear the wind. It's pretty windy up here. Anyway, we're going to try to grab a bite to eat and head back down. You see how we do with Charlie when he's he's down in the kangaroo patch right now. Pouch, kangaroo pouch, goodness. What are you doing, Charlie? Huh? Are you cold? You should be warm in there. Okay, we're coming back through the campground, getting close to the trailhead parking lot. As always, thanks for coming along with us. There's another one in the books, and until next time.